workers of Vasco civic body will have a bleak Chovot and Vasco with uncollected garbage lying around, it is no better for residents. Authorities meeting to set up local level systems. Indiscipline and illegality seem to be reigning supreme at Kalwari jail. Inmates roam freely and grains go missing. Coronavirus pandemic fails to dampen Gokulashtami celebrations, low-key as they may be. Hello everyone, I am Leena and now the news in detail. The total number of coronavirus cases in India has reached to 22.68 lakh after a single day spike of more than 53,000 cases. Meanwhile, Tamil Nadu has crossed 3 lakh mark of COVID cases.
A single day jump of 53,601 COVID-19 cases were reported in India. In last 24 hours, 871 deaths were reported and 40,746 patients have recovered. India has reported 22,60,675 COVID-19 positive cases till date, and the active cases have crossed 6.39 lakh mark. 45,257 deaths are reported and more than 15,83,489 patients have recovered. Here are the 5 worst hit coronavirus states. Maharashtra is leading with 5.24 lakh mark of COVID-19 cases, followed by Tamil Nadu 3.2 lakh, Andhra Pradesh 2.35 lakh, Karnataka 1.82 lakh and Delhi 1.46 lakh. Almost 2 lakh COVID-19 cases were reported worldwide in single day. The COVID-19 cases have crossed 2.2 crore mark. 7.39 lakh deaths are reported and more than 1.31 crore have recovered. Are the 5 worst hit coronavirus nations. United States is leading with more than 49.51 lakh cases, followed by Brazil 30.12 lakh cases. India is third worst hit nation with 22.68 lakh cases. Russia 8.92 lakh cases and South Africa with 5.59 lakh cases. Bureau Report, Goa 365.
While the workers strike, the garbage remains uncollected, creating a nuisance in the port town. With the Chovot on the horizon and the chairperson not in a position to pay the workers, it appears that both Vasco City and the workers both face a bleak Chovot.
Mormugao municipality is a A-class municipality, but many of the properties it owns are in litigation, which means the revenue is frozen. While the workers strike, the garbage remains uncollected, creating a nuisance in the port town. With the Chovot on the horizon and the chairperson not in a position to pay the workers, it appears the workers face bleak festival, unless of course things change dramatically.
हे लोक इनकम लोकांचं घेवपाक जाय पळय ते घेयना. हो माझो सपोर्टर, तो माझो सपोर्टर, ना जाल्यार मिनिस्टराचो कोणाचो फोन येयलो जाल्यार त्या व्हडल्या पयशेकाराचे तेजे पयशे जे म्युनिसिपालिटीन भरपाचे ते भरिनासतना दवरता आनी म्हणूनच ही हालत जाल्ली आसा. करोडोनी पयसो भायर आसा तो हाडपाचो कोण प्रयत्न करिना. जर आमी आवाज उखल्लो जाल्यार आमचो आवाज दमपाचो प्रयत्न करता.
जेन्ना हांव चेअरपर्सन आसलेलो तेन्ना आमकां एक ऑक्ट्रॉय म्हणून ग्रांट्स गावताले, ऑक्ट्रॉय म्हणून टॅक्स गावताले, ते 5.5 कोटी गावताले आनी ते गावले उपरांत म्हाका आमकां म्युनिसिपालिटी सॅलरी सारकी स्टेबल करून गावताली. जेन्ना CM पर्रीकर आसलो तेन्ना तेणी आमकां एक सांगलेलें ऑक्ट्रॉय आमकां दिवपाक गावचें ना म्हणून. त्या ऑक्ट्रॉयाच्या जाग्याचेर आमी कितें स्पेशल ग्रांट्स दितले म्हणून. ते समज आयज ग्रांट्स आमकां रेगुलर मेळले जाल्यार ही परिस्थिती येवपाची नासली. हांव रिक्वेस्ट करता आमच्या अर्बन मिनिस्टराक हेचेर तें लक्ष घालपाचें.
आयज आमचे आउटस्टँडींग जे आसा ते अरावंड 50 crores आहा. लास्ट ऑगस्टासान कितली रिकवरी जाला हाचेर तांणी स्टडी करपाक
की चीफ ऑफिसर जो आसा मार्मुगांव म्युनिसिपल काउन्सिलाचो, ही इज द मॅन who can generate the fund and as per the municipality act he has to keep reserve for a salary. Section 298 of municipality act that he has to keep reserve fund for salary first.
Hiru Mahale for Goa 365 from Vasco.
This year, Chovot will be celebrated amid rising cases of coronavirus in Goa. During the celebration, markets normally get crowded. Emotion sites too are a riot of people and colors and noise. But this year, given the virus, the government has issued SOP and Mapsa Municipal Council has prepared the roadmap to ensure that crowds are minimal. Government has issued SOP for the celebrations of Chauth and has asked local bodies to follow up on the matter. Mapsa Bazaar is one of the famous markets for Matori items. Every year the market gets crowded. The Tar River in Mapsa is the only immersion spot for Mapsekars. Mapsa Municipal Council convened a meeting with Mapsa PI, traffic police and councillors. Now immersion sites are divided among the wards with staggered immersion timing and also shifted the Matori Bazaar.
म्हापसान सरोजिनी गणपती मार्केट आणि खोल्ले तेंच्यान सध्या 5 दिसां पावयतले म्हणून तेंच्यान एक डिसिजन घेतला. तो वाडचो ना, एक टायम तो रिड्यूस जावंक शकता अकॉर्डिंग टू कोरोना सिच्युएशन. कॉन्सिलन एक टेंटेटिव्ह विसर्जनाक एक 3-4 स्पॉट एक फायनल केले आमचे आखो एक कशें करासोड्या आमचे कुचेले खोल्ले तार रिवर आनी एक नवो आमी जो आर्टिफिशियल पॉन्ड हे बांदतात आमी सद्याक बांदतात म्हणजे हे करता टेम्पररी अरेंजमेंट ह्या चवथीक बोडगिनी 6 to 7 फॉर विसर्जन 6 to 7 मोरोड आंगोड अल्साबाद वॉर्ड नंबर 9, 19, 10, 13 7 ते 8 खोल्ले वॉर्ड नंबर 14, 15, 16, 17, 18 8 ते 9 दत्तावाडी वॉर्ड नंबर 5, 6, 11, 12 वॉर्ड नंबर टायमिंग 9 ते 10 वॉर्ड नंबर 7, 3, 20 आनी आमकां जे हे आमचो जे इनपुट्स येयला वॉर्ड नंबर 1, 2 ते कुचिल्लीत पावयतले. तें सद्या घेतला हांव पर्सनली येतले आमचे कुशीचे जे आमदार आहा पळय सगळे मिनिस्टर मायकलाशी उलयला, जयेशाशी उलयला, तो ग्लेन दिकल्याशी उलयला, नीलकंठ हळदणकराशी उलयला, विनोद पालेकराशी उलयला आनी तांकां रिक्वेस्ट केला मायकल ओपन काणक्या ऑलरेडी नीलकंठाक ऑलरेडी इन्स्ट्रक्शन दिला ताणें माटोवचो बाजाराचो अरेंजमेंट काणक्या जे जंक्शन रावंड अबाउट ती करचो म्हणून ग्लेनान आमच्या बसोड्या करचे म्हणून ताणें रिक्वेस्ट केला. नीलकंठान एक सजेशन दिल्लें वयर हावजींग बोर्डाचो जागो आमी डेली कडेन ती तो मॅनेज करतालो कितें तें आनी जयेश ऑफकोर्स जयेश आमकां डायरेक्ट बॉर्डर जायना पण जयेश ऑल्सो वील लूक इन टू समथींग ऑफ दीस. सो ह्या भशेन आमी हें करीत जाल्यार मेजबान खंय तरी म्हापशेंतलो आमचो लोड कमी जातलो. लोकली एक 3-4 जागे आमी रेकमेंड केला फॉर माटोळीचो बाजारान लोड ना येवचो म्हणून. एक कुचेले तसोच एक अनदर वन स्पॉट आमचो लोहिया गार्डन आमी कन्सिडर करूं शकता, खोल्लेन एक स्पॉट्स कन्सिडर करूं शकता. हे डिसिजन आमी घेतल्या. बोडीनी 7 to 20 आमचो हे जातलो कितें आमचो आर्टिफिशियल पॉट जातलो. फाल्यांच्यान काम चालू जातलें.
Sandeep Kamulkar for Goa 365 from Mapsa. We will take a short break. Stay with us. Welcome back. The old health center in Ponda would take over the responsibility of Ponda Sub-District Hospital's OPD on its shoulder. Prior MLA Govind Gowde and Ponda MLA Ravi Naik inspected Old Health Center along with Deputy Collector and engineers.
Ponda Sub-District Hospital has been declared as full-fledged COVID hospital. One of its OPD has been started in Dilasa building. Ravi and Govind spoke after inspecting the health center.
तुमकां सगळ्यांक खबर आसा की आमचें सब डिस्ट्रिक्ट हॉस्पिटल जें आसा तें फूल फ्लॅज कोवीड हॉस्पिटल करपाचो ऑलरेडी निर्णय जाल्लो आसा आनी कामूय सुरू जाल्लें आसा आनी त्या संदर्भान वयली आमची ओपीडी बीन आसा ती सद्या दिलासा हॉस्पिटलान कालच्या पासून रिझ्यूम जाल्ली आसा. तरी आसतना आमच्या मनाक एक विचार आयलो की जे ओल्ड PHC जी बिल्डींग जी आसा ती सद्या डायरेक्टर ऑफ आर्ट एंड कल्चरा कडेन दिल्ली आसा, ट्रान्सफर केल्ली आसा फॉर फोंडेची बरी लायब्ररी करपा खातीर. आनी म्हणूनच तात्पुरतें हें सगळी बिल्डींग आहा स्ट्रक्चर आसा फक्त हें क्लीन जर केलें आनी त्याच बरोबर ताका पेंटींग मारलो आनी इलेक्ट्रिफिकेशन जर केलें जाल्यार हो जो ब्लॉक जो आसा तो आमी बरे पैकी एमर्जन्सीस केसीस ज्यो आसात तेजे खातीर आमी वापरपाक शकतात. अशें ह्या अनुशंगान आज आमी सगळे थंय इन्स्पेक्शन करपा खातीर आयिल्ले आसात. बरें जर कितें जर जालें आनी आमकां इजी जर जालें जाल्यार इमिडिएटली हें आमी एमर्जन्सी म्हणून परत एखादें दिलासा आमी कंटिन्यू करतले पण एक्सिडेंटल जर केसीस जर कितें जर जाता किंवा गायनीक म्हणू नाकात किंवा बाकीचे सगळे जर कितें युनिट जर आमकां शिफ्ट जर करपाक हांगसर जाता जाल्यार त्या अनुशंगान आमी ही वास्तू जी आसा ती उबी करपाची ठरयलेलें आसा.
जेन्ना सरकारान जे कोविडा खातीर जे हॉस्पिटलाचे आमचे हांगा सब डिस्ट्रिक्ट हॉस्पिटल आमचे फोंडेचे ते तेणी डिक्लेअर केले की बाबा हे कोविडा खातीर जाय. अशे वेळार म्हाका विचार दुसरे कितें करतले बरें कोविडा खातीर जर केले जाल्यार कोविडा खातीर आमी विरोध करिना. इतल्याच मागणी आसा सरकारा कडेन जास्तीत जास्त फोंडे तालुक्याच्या लोकांक प्रेफरन्स हांगा दिवचे कोविड पेशंट जर घालतले जाल्यार आमच्या सब डिस्ट्रिक्ट हॉस्पिटलांत. कित्याक कारण कितें थंय काही तर आमचे पेशंट थंय कोविडाक आसले जाल्यार अशे वेळार कोणाकय घरच्यांक कितें जेवण बी हाडून दिलें कित्याक थंय हांवें गेल्यार मोडगो मातशें धांदळ जातात. अशे वेळार आमकां दिसता की हांगसर ते फोंडे तालुक्याचे जर पेशंट कोणी आसात कोविड तर तांकां हांगसर घालचे.
Later, Gowde and Ravi visited Dilasa Hospital with some officials. Sub-district hospitals, OPD and casualty ward has been shifted to Dr. Usgaonkar's Dilasa Hospital in Farmagudi. Ponda District Hospital Medical Officer Dr. Vikas Kuelkar gave details.
आम्ही आता हे हांगा कॅज्युअलिटी आणि सगळं ओपीडी हांगा सुरू करतले सगळं डिपार्टमेंट. कॅज्युअलिटी म्हणजे जितले पळय इमर्जन्सी पेशंट आसा तितल्यांकूय आमी पळयतले. ही कॅज्युअलिटी त्या कॅज्युअलिटी परस व्हडली आसा. हातून 5-6 खाटी आसा. अंडर ऑब्जर्वेशन आमी पेशंट दवरतले.
Krishna Naik for Goa 365 from Ponda.
A video of some inmates in Kolwari jail has gone viral. Another allegation has also surfaced of food grains disappearing. Sources indicate that this is not possible unless there is a collusion between inmates and jail staff posted at the jail itself. They question why no action has been taken against the jailers.
Goa jails have gained a reputation for lax policing. However, looks as if there is no deterrence as jailers are not afraid to bend the laws in favor of the inmates. In fact, there have been instances, sources say, on the condition of anonymity where senior level officers have been put under pressure by various means to not take action against jailers and their connections with inmates. Prison authorities have also launched a preliminary investigation into the alleged pilferage of food grains and other food supplies meant for inmates of the Kolwale Base Central Jail. This came up during the monthly audit of the essentials. Bureau Report, Goa 365.
Many illegalities go on at Malabhat Station Road in Margao. Beggars, drunkards and prostitutes are omnipresent at Malabhat, causing embarrassment to the traders of the area. The traders of the locality have had enough of this nuisance and complained to the local councillor.
On Tuesday, Margao MLA Digambar Kamath convened a meeting with the collector, Mamladar and police inspector over the issue. They later inspected the site and decided to put an end to the illegalities.
स्टेशन रोडाचेर त्या व्यापाऱ्यांचे मागणी आशिल्ले थंय चलता पळय कितें कितें तें प्रॉस्टिट्युशन चलता आनी कितें चलता थंय तांकां मातशें सकाळीं इन्स्पेक्शन केलें जॉयंट इन्स्पेक्शन केलें मामलेदार PI बी वचून आनी आज कलेक्टरा कडेन एक मिटींग ठरयली आनी थंय एक 15 दिसां भितर तो स्ट्रेच आहा तो क्लियर करपाक जाय सारको थंय आनी प्रॉब्लेम जावपा ना त्या व्यापाऱ्यांक सगळ्याक त्रास जाता. ते थरयलां की वेस्टर्न रेल्वेचे एक थंय गेट आहा सावथ वेस्टर्न रेल्वे ही गेट फुल्ली बंद करून थंय सेक्युरिटी घालपाची. स्टेशन रोड जे हे आसा न्ही मायग्रंट्स येता बसता न्ही थंय कितें आसा रेजिडेंस एरिया जितले आसा थंय शॉप ओनर आसा न्ही तेंच्यांनी एक कावन्सिलर येना तेन्ना म्हाका एक कंप्लेंट केल्ली अशें चल्लां अशें आतां कितलीं वर्सां जालीं हें चालूच आसा पूण हेजेर कोणाचें लक्ष नासता आनी थंय आसा तें प्रॉस्टिट्युशन चड आसता आनी जे कोण रेल्वेन जे कोण वता न्ही तांचेर तेंगेलें सदांच एटॅक आसता म्हणल्यार जो बरो मनीस सुद्दां कोण गेलो न्ही जावं गोंयकार त्या गोंयकाराक सुद्दां थंय फाल्यां मरपाक पडटलें अशें थंयसरले भायले लोक हे ते बायलांय आसा थंय दादले आसा आनी हें अशें सिटी भितर जावचें न्ही.
Sandeep Twenkar for Goa 365 from Margao.
We will take a short break. Stay with us. Welcome back. Gokulashtami was also celebrated under Corona shadow like other festival. But the Corona didn't let spoil people's enthusiasm to celebrate this festival. At some places, Palki procession and pujas were held, while in some places people dressed their kids as Krishna and celebrated the festival. Narve Ashtam is famous. However, there was no crowd of devotees. The traditional Palki procession was carried out and few religious ceremonies were held. While the old tried to preserve their tradition in their own way, children also took part. The Varde and Poe Kakode family celebrated Krishna Janmashtami, dressing their kids as Krishna. Gokulashtami was also celebrated in Krishna temple in Pajifond, Margao by following all the rules and norms led by the government. Temple President Santosh Kare gave details.
आज गोकुळाष्टमी आसा आनी आमी सगळे आमचो पुजा आसा ती सगळी भटजी करतलो आनी वार्षिक पद्दती प्रमाणे आमी पुजा करतले आनी आमची कमिटी आनी भटजी हेंचेच हेच पुजा करतले.
आता तुमच्या पाळण्यान घालपाचो उत्सव
पाळणो आसतलो भटजी आनी आमी कमिटीचे लोक आमी पाळणो करतले.
म्हणजे तुम्ही कोणाक घेवक कोविडा खातीर कोणाक अलाउड करूंक ना?
आमी कोणाक अलाउड करना पण कोण येवन पांया पडून वयता चडशे लोक पडना पण दर्शन घेवन लोक कोण वयता येवन
रातचे पाळणे आसतना कोण आसता
लोक कोण आसपाना. आमचे
Sandeep Tuekar, Mahesh Govekar and Sandeep Kamulkar for Goa 365 from Margao, Narve and Purvuri. Looks as if rebel Congress leader Sachin Pilot has turned his plane back down and about to turn back into the arms of the Congress. This decision came after Pilot met Rahul Gandhi.
Congress President Sonia Gandhi said that she would appoint a 3-member committee to look into Sachin's grievances. Sachin had rebelled, alleging differences with CM Gehlot, and was upset after Rajasthan cops filed sedition charges against MLAs loyal to him. Bureau Report, Goa 365.
A week after Vivo's exit from Indian cricket, the BCCI is looking for sponsors for the Indian Premier League 2020. The IPL will be held in UAE from September 19 to November 10.
The BCCI has invited third parties to express their interest in acquiring the title sponsorship rights for the Indian Premier League 2020. Interested parties need to buy the bid document by August 14. The BCCI will announce the winning bid 4 days later. The cricket body has made it clear that only companies with an annual turnover of at least 300 crore rupees will be eligible to bid for the IPL title sponsorship. Clinton D'Souza for Goa 365.
And with that, we have come to the end of this news bulletin. For more news and updates, log on website www.goa365.tv. Follow us on Facebook, Goa 365 TV, or download our app on both Android and iPhones to watch it on your mobile. Keep watching Goa 365.